Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
कृष्णा डियर व्यूअर्स,
हरे कृष्णा,
हरि बोल। आप सभी का अभिनंदन है, स्वागत है। सो दिस वीक द स्पेशल टॉपिक वी आर गोइंग टू स्पीक ऑन इज अबाउट वाटरिंग द सीड ऑफ भक्ति, भक्ति लता बीज। हम आज की जो टॉक करने वाले हैं इसमें हम लर्न करेंगे एक बहुत ही वैल्यूएबल सेक्शन from our Vaishnavacharya's teachings. This is about how Shravanam and Kirtan along with the mercy of Guru, mercy of Krishna helps us make spiritual advancement, क्योंकि गुरु की कृपा से जो हमें भक्ति लता बीज मिलता है, seed of devotional service in our heart, it needs Shravanam and Kirtanam, okay, to grow into a beautiful creeper of devotion. Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, do you want to add something?
Hare Krishna, yes. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And who is Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? He is none other than Krishna, who is appearing in the mood of Radharani. He is giving this instruction. Krishnadas Kaviraj in Chaitanya Chaitamrita. He is identifying in that, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is revealing this secret, and this secret is Brahmar Bhavite Kauna Bhagyavan Jiva Guru Krishna Prasade Paya Bhakti Lata Bija. So Brahmar Bhavite, living entities like we are wandering in this material world, seeking material sensual enjoyment, material sense gratification. However, throughout this entire universe we are wandering, but some of them are being elevated to the upper planetary systems and some are going down, just like on a Ferris wheel. And one is so fortunate to get the opportunity to associate with a bona fide spiritual master by the grace of Krishna. So Lord Krishna is Chaitya Guru in our heart, the Lord in our heart. When He's pleased with us, He allows us to see a living personality, a bona fide spiritual master outside. So Anta Krishna, and then Bahar, his representative, is the bona fide spiritual master. And by the mercy of both Krishna and the spiritual master, such a person, the fortunate soul, gets the seed of the creeper of devotional service, gets the Bhakti Lata Bij. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So, dear friends, Kapil Kumar ji, Haribol, Dipali
Krishna.
Majumdar, Arun Das, Hare Krishna, dear viewers. A lot of names have scrolled by, and I'm trying to look at these messages. पर आप सबका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन है इस वीकली प्रोग्राम में. I hope this thread is going to benefit many of us because we need to do a lot of Shravanam and Kirtanam constantly. ये recommendation है हमारे आचार्यास का, क्योंकि dealing with the material energy, because we have these material bodies, you know, it is a fact that we are conditioned souls. So to revive our natural consciousness, Krishna consciousness, we have to take shelter of devotees, we have to take shelter of the holy names, we have to take shelter of a genuine pure soul. And fortunately, हमें श्रीला प्रभुपाद के पर्पट्स में श्रीला प्रभुपाद का एसोसिएशन अवेलेबल है, उनकी बुक्स में उनका एसोसिएशन अवेलेबल है, so that we can benefit from it and we can revive our Krishna consciousness, we can remember our eternal constitutional position of a soul who is in loving relationship with the Lord. So, in this big picture, Prabhuji gave a class about seed of devotional service, Bhakti Lata Beej, which is there in our heart, right? And we need to constantly water it with the chanting and the hearing of the holy names. So we have few verses from Chaitanya Charitamrita, जिसको हम लोग रेफर करेंगे और साथ में हम लोग कीर्तन भी करेंगे, because everybody loves music, don't we? So please join us. Let's do some kirtan and we will share these nectarian verses with you so that everybody has an understanding what is the seed of devotional service. Why do we need to water this seed of devotional service? What is the role of a guru? What is the role of a saintly person in our life who puts us in touch with Krishna? And then we will also understand about the creeper of devotional service, isn't it?
Yes.
It is such a beautiful concept because sometime or other time in our life, we do some gardening. So we plant a seed and then we water it, we nurture it with a lot of care, so that beautiful creeper or the plant grows, and the plant grows big and it bears the fruits. So similarly, in our devotional life also, we can be the gardeners, but we need help of saintly souls. Yes. Hare Krishna, please join us for Kirtan, and then we'll discuss more on this topic. And you can bring your questions. Later on, we'll discuss some of your questions and we'll try to help you with some answers.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Krishna, dear viewers who are just joining. आपके बेनिफिट के लिए हम बता दें, हम भक्ति लता बीज और क्रीपर ऑफ डिवोशन टॉपिक पे आज की टॉक कर रहे हैं। और आप सब में जिन लोगों ने भी हमें ग्रीटिंग्स पोस्ट की हैं कमेंट्स में, और आप ग्रीट कर रहे हैं, अभी भी आपके नेम स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं। वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू सी यू, यू आर हेयर। एंड सो टुडे we are bringing you some beautiful melodies, and we are going to do kirtan in between our talks, and you can join us. Please join us in singing kirtan, because that is the yug dharma of Kali age. Hari Naam Sankirtan. Jagdish Acharya ji, Santosh Tumrok ji, Radhe Radhe ji, Hari Bol, Amiyo Ghosh ji, Hari Bol, Rajkumar Ghoral, Hare Krishna. Everyone, please chant and be happy, be blessed. Hare Krishna. So here I am going to quickly read aloud few names जिन्होंने शुरू में ही अपनी प्रेजेंस दिखाई, लेकिन हम जल्दी से उनके नाम नहीं बोल पाए। अमित जी, हरे कृष्णा। राजकुमार घोरल, अल्पना नाग, रितु, राहुल दास, सत्यरंजन, भरत सिंह, योगी संतोष, सुबोध पॉल, जनार्दन कुमार, विवेक रसाली, रेशमा हीरालाल, कपिल कुमार, राधा कृष्णानंद दास। हरे कृष्णा, Hari Bol. And we have Moni Nagendra, Rajkumar Ghoral, Neelam Grover, Basudev Pale, Deepika Sharma, Saurabh Goyal, Manish Rajgupta, Anil Khajuria, Madhu, Angana, Narsimha Rao. Hare Krishna, dear friends. I hope you are all having a great morning, a great day, whatever time zone you are in. Never forget Krishna. Always remember Krishna. So Prabhuji will share now next verse from Chaitanya Charitamrit, जिसमें ये concept बहुत beautifully described है। Chaitanya Charitamrit Madhya Leela, is it?
Yes, Madhya Leela में.
Okay.
Yes, Krishnadas Kaviraj. He is the author of Chaitanya Charitamrit, and इसमें Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is none other than Krishna, right? Anta Krishna in the mood of Radharani, as his own devotee is appearing, and he is saying this. मालिहाना करे सई बीज आरोपणा, श्रवण कीर्तन जले करे से चना. When a person receives a sea of devotional service, जब किसी को भगवान का भक्ति लता बीज मिलता है, he should take care of it by becoming a gardener, right? So जब हमको किसी सीड मिलता है, we have to sow it somewhere. We have to be a gardener in a nice garden. And sowing the seed in his heart. So, what is the ground? What is that garden? It is our heart. So, we should prepare our heart very nicely, so that, if you have a hard heart, then you try to sow the seed, it will not sow, it will not bear fruit. Why? Because the ground is very hard. So, we have to prepare our heart. If he waters the seed gradually by the process of Shravan and Kirtan, hearing and chanting, the seed will begin to sprout. So, to make the heart mellow, to make the heart ready to sow the seed, we have to do a lot of kirtan, lot of shravana. Hearing is very important, and then kirtan, glorifying, is important. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा। और श्रीला प्रभुपाद जी इस बारे में क्या एक्सप्लेन करते हैं? श्रीला प्रभुपाद हैज एक्सप्लेन्ड that to live with the devotees, we have to associate with the devotees in this process of Shravan and Kirtan to stay inspired, to stay motivated. But we also receive the Bhakti Lata Beej because of a very special devotee of the Lord, the Guru. With Guru's Kripa, we get this seed of devotion. Dormant devotional service to Krishna is within everyone. Yes. So simply by association with the devotees and hearing their good instructions and chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, dormant love for Krishna is awakened in our heart. And in this way, we get the seed of devotional service. Guru Krishna Prasad पाए भक्ति लता बीज. और जैसे कि प्रभु जी अभी शेयर कर रहे थे कि डिवोटीज का एसोसिएशन चाहिए होता है हमें, एंड टू एसोसिएट विद डिवोटीज मीन्स इन देयर एसोसिएशन वी डू श्रवण एंड कीर्तन. वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल. साधु संगम में व्हाट इज द एक्टिविटी वी आर डूइंग? वी डू श्रवण एंड कीर्तन ऑफ कृष्ण कथा. Sometimes new people think that they can continue Shravan Kirtan without worshipping the deity. But execution of such Shravan and Kirtan is meant for very highly elevated souls. Like who? श्रीला हरिदास ठाकुर जी का एग्जाम्पल आता है हमारे स्क्रिप्चर्स में, who engaged in Shravan and Kirtan without worshipping the deity. However, हम सब के लिए recommended है कि we should not falsely imitate Haridas Thakur ji and abandon deity worship just to try to engage in Shravan Kirtan. This is not possible for beginner devotees or the devotees who are still making an endeavor to become steady. And what does Guru Prasad mean? Guru Prasad indicates that spiritual master is very merciful in giving us the gift of devotional service.
Yes.
And that is the best possible gift the spiritual master or guru has to offer to us. And those with the background of pious life are eligible to receive life's supreme benefit. And to bestow this benefit, Bhagwan sends his representative to impart his mercy. And who is Bhagwan's representative in our life?
The initiating spiritual master. We get the mercy of an initiating, and the initiating spiritual master is a living person. So we should be very much observing, the various personalities, and they are also examining us constantly. And then based on who inspires us, who we see as a bona fide spiritual master, we should take their shelter without reservation because it is for our own benefit. Hare Krishna.
And in this way, once we find a guru, a genuine guru who we are comfortable with to take instructions from, to take diksha from, then the spiritual master trains, his disciples to render devotional service to Bhagwan. And this is called Guru Kripa. It is Krishna Prasad, Krishna's mercy that he sends a bona fide guru to the deserving disciple. And by the mercy of Krishna, by mercy of Krishna only, we meet a genuine guru. And by mercy of guru, the disciple is fully trained in devotional service of Krishna. Bhakti Lata Beej ka meaning kya hota hai? The seed of devotional service, right? Please understand this. I'm going to ask a simple question in a while. What is meant by Bhakti Lata Beej? Bhakti Lata Beej means the seed of devotional service. Okay, so everything original has a seed, right? Every program, any idea, any plan, any device. So first of all, the contemplation of plan, that is called a beej or seed. And then the methods and the rules and the regulations by which one perfectly trained in devotional service, that makes up Bhakti Lata Beej or the seed of devotional service. And where do we get this Bhakti Lata Beej from? We get it from spiritual master. By whose grace? By Krishna's grace. Okay. So at this point we are clear what is Bhakti Lata Beej and by whose mercy we get it. And then how do we? Now we are going to talk about how do we take care of this beej.
Yes. How
Hare
do
Krishna.
we sow it? Hare Krishna. And now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continues. Upajiya bade lata brahman bhedi gayaya virja brahma loka bhedi paravyoma paya. As one waters the Bhakti Lata Beej. So Bhakti is devotional service, Lata is the creeper, Beej is the seed, right? The seed of devotional service is a creeper. So, and what is the watering process? Shravan and Kirtan. The seed sprouts and the creeper gradually grows to the point where it penetrates the walls of this universe and goes beyond the Virija river. So Virija river separates material universes from the spiritual universes. Lying between the spiritual world and the material world, it attains Brahmalok. Brahmalok is not the Satyalok, it is where Brahman effulgence is there. The Brahman effulgence. And penetrating through that stratum, it reaches the spiritual sky and the spiritual planet, Golok Vrindavan.
Hari Bol.
Yes.
We'll come back with more explanation of Bhakti Lata Beej and the creeper of devotion. Till then, Please join us for more Kirtan. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. So maybe at some point voice was not good enough. Can
Krishna.
someone comment again if voice and the sound is okay right now? I would like to know. Hare Krishna. Can some of you, Manoj Thakur ji, Hare Krishna. Hari Bol, Kavan Kakkar ji, Sanjeev Garg, Suresh Babu. Can someone comment if the voice and the sound is okay? We would like to know. Hare Krishna, friends. Hari Bol, let me check here. Hare Krishna. Can someone comment if the voice or the sound is okay? So we can move forward.
Hare
Moni
Krishna.
Nagendra ji, okay, it's all clear. Thank you very
you.
much. Avijit Paul Shivo, okay, very much. Thank you very much. So Prabhuji just explained, he read from Chaitanya Charitamrita about the creeper of devotion. कैसे हम सब श्रवण और कीर्तन से जब अपने भक्ति लता बीज को सींचते हैं, उसका केयर करते हैं, तो जो हमारी क्रीपर ऑफ डिवोशन है वो ग्रो करती है और वो इट ग्रोज अक्रॉस ऑल द यूनिवर्सेस बियॉन्ड विरजा रिवर. विरजा रिवर डिवाइड करती है स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड और मटेरियल वर्ल्ड्स को, एंड देन वो पूरे ब्रह्मलोक, ब्रह्मण एफल्जेंस सबसे भेदती हुई हमारी क्रीपर स्पिरिचुअल स्काई में चली जाती है, भगवान कृष्ण के प्लैनेट में, जिसको गोलोक वृंदावन बोलते हैं. एंड इन द पर्पट्स श्रीला प्रभुपाद ने बताया है कि डिवोशनल सर्विस इज मेंट ओनली फॉर भगवान, सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी ऑफ गॉड हेड. अनीता जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. हरे कृष्णा. रंजू तिवारी, हरे कृष्णा. रूमी पुरकायस्था, थैंक यू वेरी मच. हरे कृष्णा. वेलकम एवरीवन. आप सबका अभिनंदन है. हम सीड ऑफ डिवोशनल सर्विस भक्ति लता बीज पर टॉक कर रहे हैं और साथ में कीर्तन भी कर रहे हैं. ये कंप्लीट पैकेज है कीर्तन एंड कृष्ण कथा का, श्रवणम एंड कीर्तनम, जिससे हमारी जो भक्ति लता बीज है इट गेट्स वाटर्ड, इट गेट्स नर्चर्ड, so that our faith goes stronger. And we are talking about this particular subject which has been nicely explained in our scriptures in Srimad Bhagavatam, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, and we need to understand this because we want our faith to grow stronger, isn't it?
Yes.
And we generally develop the concept of, we want to do bhakti, we want to please Krishna, but we carry a lot of things in our heart and we want to purify our heart. We want to be able to serve Krishna in the best possible manner with a beautiful heart, in pure humility and gratitude. And for that, we have to understand that the seed of devotion जो हमारे heart में है, जो हमें गुरु की कृपा से मिलता है, उसको श्रवण और कीर्तन से we water that seed so it becomes a beautiful creeper of devotion. एंड उसी का डिस्क्रिप्शन हम चैतन्य चरितामृत से पढ़ रहे हैं, हम आपके साथ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं और साथ में कीर्तन कर रहे हैं. हरि बोल. सो वी डिस्कस दैट वी वाटर दिस creeper of devotion after having received the seed, And this Bhakti Lata grows until it reaches where? The spiritual sky, where Golok Vrindavan is situated. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Please join us for more kirtan and then we'll talk more.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Kush Beta, Vimal ji, Pandey ji, Nikita Haral, Jyoti ji, Hare Krishna, dear friends, dear devotees, Manju Mishra, and all of you जिनके नेम स्क्रॉल कर गए, आप सभी का खास खास अभिनंदन, सभी के लिए बहुत बहुत प्यार और ब्लेसिंग्स। आज का जो हमारा कृष्ण कथा का टॉपिक है वो है सीड of devotional service and creeper of devotion, and how by Shravanam and Kirtanam we can nurture and take care of our creeper of devotion. So Prabhuji, can you share with us the next section on this topic?
Yes. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is revealing this. वो बता रहे हैं, तबे आए तब परि लोक गोलोक वृंदावन, कृष्णाचार्य कल्प वृक्ष करे आरोहण. Being situated in one's heart and being watered by Shravan and Kirtan, the Bhakti creeper, it grows more and more. In this way, it attains the shelter of the desired tree of the lotus feet of Lord Krishna, who is eternally situated in the planet known as Goloka Vrindavan, in the topmost region of the spiritual sky. So it reaches Golok Vrindavan. And at Golok Vrindavan, who resides? Lord Krishna. Hare Krishna.
So Srila Prabhupada बताते हैं हमें पर्पट्स में कि गोलोक वृंदावन जो है ना, भगवान कृष्ण का जो है हाईएस्ट प्लैनेट है स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड में. एंड इन ऑर्डर टू गो देयर, you know, go to that spiritual world, so after penetrating the covering of the material universe, one must penetrate several planetary systems on the way. And there is Brahmaloka, there is spiritual effulgence, then one can come to Golok Vrindavan planet. And there are all other planets in the spiritual world called Vaikuntha planets. And on these planets, Lord Narayan is worshipped with awe and venerations. Yes. On these planets, Shant Ras is prevalent, and some of the devotees are also connected with Supreme Personality of Godhead in Dasya Ras, the mellow of servitorship. So all different rasas are there in the spiritual world. In one's relationship with Lord, भगवान के साथ हम 5 रसों में से कोई भी रसों में engage कर सकते हैं. Therefore, in the spiritual world, Bhakti Creeper finds its resting place at lotus feet of भगवान. जो seed of devotion हमें गुरु कृपा से मिला था, ठीक है, वो creeper of devotion से वो भक्ति लता बीज से creeper of devotion grows with constant watering of chanting of the holy names and shravanam of the teachings and the holy names. And then gradually that creeper grows and eventually reaches the spiritual world at Golok Vrindavan, and there it rests at the lotus feet of Bhagwan. Such a beautiful concept, isn't it? Let me read few messages because Ajit Vardeji, Hare Krishna, Rumi Purkayastha, Hare Krishna, Karthiyani Panikar, Hari Bol, Satvinder Baliji, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. हरी बोल डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज का जो हमारा वीकली टॉपिक है इट इज़ अबाउट सीड ऑफ डिवोशनल सर्विस एंड हम कुछ रेफरेंसेस आपको बता रहे हैं फ्रॉम चैतन्य चरितामृत so that we can develop some good understanding about this subject. So after we are done with the talk on this subject, we are going to have some discussion. We are going to answer your questions if you have any questions. So that will happen in within half an hour at the end of this talk. So till then, we will all join in and do some kirtan while we keep sharing this beautiful nectar. Please join us for more kirtan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Mangal Sukram ji, Ajit Varade ji, Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna.
So, my quick question to all of you at this point, जो दर्शक, जो व्यूअर्स थोड़े समय से इस प्रोग्राम को देख रहे हैं, इस कृष्ण कथा को सुन रहे हैं, कीर्तन में हमारे साथ हैं, आपसे एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है आई वांट टू आस्क. कैन यू शेयर दैट किसकी कृपा से हमें सीड ऑफ डिवोशनल सर्विस मिलता है? By whose mercy do we get the seed of devotional service in our heart? Please mention in one or few words, by whose mercy do we get the seed of devotional service in our heart? I would like to read that. We are talking about this topic of Bhakti Lata Beej, and I want to just ask a quick question so that we also know that, there are some of you who are watching us from the beginning. So please mention there, by whose mercy do we get this seed of devotion? Hare Krishna. Yes, we have some responses.
Yes.
We have Moni Nagendraji, Guru,
Yes.
Wonderful.
Wonderful, yes.
Popsam, Shri Krishna, Hari Bol, Kush Beta, you said spiritual master, Rumi,
Yes.
Krishna. In our, teachings, we are talking of Vaishnavacharya's teachings. They have explained with Guru's Kripa, in our this material existence, we get that seed of devotion, but actually it's Bhagwan's mercy, Krishna Kripa only. So with both Krishna and Guru Kripa, we get this seed of devotion. Devotional service is dormant in everyone's heart, but it is dormant. Or Guru Kripa se, that dormant devotional service gets awakened, isn't it?
Yes.
Hari Bol. So we can, I think, discuss the next section now.
Yes. Tahan vistari tahana phale prema phala, ihan mali seche nitra shravanadi jala. The creeper greatly expands in the Golok Vrindavan planet, and there it produces the fruit of love for Krishna. Although remaining in the material world, the gardener gradually sprinkles the creeper with the water of hearing and chanting.
At this point, I want to congratulate Shilpa Sharma ji. She said, by Krishna's own mercy and wish. Yes, that's also correct. Rumi says, Shri Krishna. Khandavil Ramamurthy ji, Hare Krishna, welcome. Jyoti ji, you are just indicating 100% and you are happy. That's also appreciable. Hare Krishna. So with Guru Kripa, we get the seed of devotion in our heart. And with Krishna's mercy, we get the association of a genuine Guru who gives us the seed of devotion. Hare Krishna. Please join us for some more Kirtan. First melody.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol. So, let me see here. We have few more friends who just joined. Hare Krishna, Brijesh Kumar Pandey ji, Sudhi Shivapur, Hari Bol. Our special appreciation for Harshavardhan and Vishwanath Mohanty ji. Hare Krishna, Sandeep Mohato, Haribol, Shri Sagar, Rajabangshi, Ashok Sinha, Haribol Mohanty, Prabharanjan, and Ajay Lata Gulab, Manik Kumar, Kailash Singh. Hare Krishna, dear friends, for joining us. Many of you are from South Asian countries and it's quite early in the morning. We really appreciate your association, your presence in this program. So, this is a Krishna Katha and Kirtan program which we do once a week, and we bring a particular topic in Krishna Katha which all of us can benefit from, with which our faith can grow stronger and we can understand concepts like why should we take shelter of a guru, why should we take shelter of devotees, why should we take shelter of Krishna, and how we should understand the grace and mercy of Krishna in our lives, how we should make spiritual advancement. So these are all different topics, we bring our topics around these areas. And so if there is any specific area you're interested in, please mention it in the comment. We'll make a note of that particular topic and try to speak on that topic. Moving forward, we can prioritize on which subject we can talk. But we want to know what are the topics of interest to you also. So please mention in the comments and we will check that in a while Prabhuji is going to share with us the next section in the teachings on the subject of creeper of devotion, Bhakti Lata.
So in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is revealing, now that we are hearing about how the Bhakti Lata Bij, the creeper, is growing and further expanding in Golok Vrindavan, while we are in this material universe, right? We are watering this creeper with hearing and chanting. We also have to be careful about some of the dangers that can disturb it. So he is revealing some of the areas we should be very cautious, right? As a gardener, we have to be very cautious. So he's saying, Yadi Vaishnava Parada Ute Hati Mata Upadeva Chinde Tara Sukhi Yaya Pata. If the devotee commits an offense at the feet of a Vaishnava while cultivating the creeper of devotional service in the material world, his offense is compared to a mad elephant that uproots the creeper and breaks it. In this way, the leaves of the creeper are dried up. So this is mad elephant disease, a Vaishnava aparadh that we should avoid at all cost. And rather we say that we should even not offend even general populace, because we do not know where a Mahabhagavat could be hidden. Right? So we should not even offend general populace. We should be very respectful for everyone around us. Hare Krishna.
So, dear friends, two things I want to mention here. First of all, जैसे कि हमने देखा जो भक्ति लता बीज से फिर बाद में क्रीपर ऑफ डिवोशन डेवलप होता है विद कांस्टेंट chanting and shravanam, right? With the hearing and chanting of the holy names and engaging in services. और उसके बाद में अब जब क्रीपर ग्रो करके भगवान कृष्ण के प्लैनेट में जाकर रेस्ट करता है लोडेड विद फ्रूट्स, लेकिन उसके साथ में कुछ ऑफेंसेस हैं जो हमें अवॉइड करने चाहिए, जिसके कारण ये क्रीपर ऑफ डिवोशन सूख जाता है. सो प्रभु जी वॉज जस्ट सेइंग that we have to be careful about the offenses. There are many kind of offenses. There are offenses against the devotees. There are offenses against the holy names. In general, we should avoid committing any aparadhs or offenses while we are nurturing and cultivating this creeper of devotion. While we are existing, we are in material existence, right? And this offense is compared to like a mad elephant that uproots the creeper and breaks it. And in this way, the leaves of the creeper dry up. अगर आप में से कुछ लोगों ने गार्डनिंग की है तो आप ये कंसेप्ट से बहुत ही अच्छी तरह रिलेट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे श्रीला प्रभुपाद मेंशन करते हैं कि once devotional attitude increases in the association of Vaishnavas, we all need devotee association. And our Vaishnava acharyas have explained that devotees must always remember to please his predecessor Acharya, because we carry out all services in parampara, in the association of devotees. But however, if we think at some point that we have become very mature and we are super intelligent and we can live separate from the association of Vaishnavas, and then we give up following the regulative principles, due to offending a Vaishnava, then our position becomes very dangerous. And I have been discussing in chanting of the holy names, the daily session which I do, I went through the list of 10 offenses against the holy names. So we should be careful about that also. So giving up regulative principles and living according to one's own whims is very detrimental to our spiritual advancement, and it is compared to a mad elephant who by force uproots the Bhakti Lata beach and breaks it, Bhakti Lata, and he breaks it to pieces. And in this way, Bhakti Lata puri sookh jati hai, it dries up, and such an offense is especially created when one disobeys the instructions of spiritual master. So we should be very respectful to our spiritual master जो हमें seed of devotion देते हैं. We should obey their instructions, and we should be careful not to commit offenses by disobeying their instructions. And as soon as one is deviated from the instructions of spiritual master, the uprooting of Bhakti Lata begins, and gradually the leaves dry up. So we should be careful that we nurture our creeper of devotion with lot of love and care and follow in the footsteps of our acharyas, our spiritual master.
Rasa Mokirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, dear
Hare
viewers.
Krishna.
A few more people have recently joined. Mihir Rani Debarma ji, Hare Krishna, Shankar Mandal, Hari Bol, Mahesh ji, Hare Krishna, Ajit Varade ji, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, dear friends. I'm just scrolling through the list. Manju Mishra ji, Hare Krishna, Kushlamba Beta Hari Bol, Vimal ji Pandey. So, I wanted to ask you all earlier by whose mercy we get the seed of devotion, and many of you kindly commented, and you commented correctly. With the Guru's mercy, we get the seed of devotion. My next question right now, by what two processes we can water the seed of devotion? Devotees should constantly water the seed of devotion with two processes. What are they? Please write it. Please comment it. Hare Krishna. We would love to hear from you.
Yes.
We are talking about the seed of devotion and how it beautifully grows into a creeper of devotion with constantly watering by two processes. What are they? Please mention in the comments. अगर आप अभी कमेंट कर सकते हैं तो ज़रूर करिए, नहीं तो हम आपको पहले बताएंगे फिर से और उसके बाद ही हम आगे जाएंगे. हरे कृष्णा शंकर मंडल जी, हरि बोल. राजा लिंगम, मौसमी डे. We are doing Krishna Katha and Kirtan. This is a weekly thread. We do once a week together, on one topic, an area in Bhakti, which we should all learn about to grow our faith. And हम साथ में कीर्तन करते हैं. तो dear devotees, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि किस तरीके से गुरु की कृपा से हमें सीड ऑफ डिवोशन मिलता है, और फिर इस सीड ऑफ डिवोशन को गार्डनर की तरह हम अच्छी तरह नर्चर करते हैं बाय वाटरिंग विद what, blank and blank. What are those two processes? Please mention in the comments. I want to read about it. Yes, Pops Ram says, Shravanam with bhakti and Shraddha give charity. Well, what you're saying is good, but आपने एक process mention किया है. You have not mentioned the second one. Shravanam is hearing. And what is the second one? Oh, Shilpa Sharma ji, with chanting and blind faith in Krishna ji in any somehow. Well, both of you together have answered the question. One need not have a blind faith, but yes, by hearing and chanting. Moni Nagendra ji ne correct answer लिखा है. By hearing and chanting, those are the two processes by which we water the seed of devotion in our heart, and that seed grows into a beautiful creeper of devotion, Bhakti Lata. It grows and grows as our faith grows. In association of devotees, we do services and we constantly hear and chant, and ultimately it rests near lotus feet of Bhagwan in Golok Vrindavan. And then Prabhuji just explained about offenses. We should be careful about committing any offenses because that dries up our creeper of devotion. And if we are intelligent and careful, and if we value this precious life, this precious human life, we will be careful and will take care of our creeper of devotion. Now, do we have more on this subject?
Yes.
Okay, please share.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is further elaborating how to protect ourselves from this mad elephant disease. He is saying, Tate mali yatna kare kare avarana aparadha hastira yaichena hayudgama. The gardener must defend the creeper by fencing it all around so that the powerful elephant of offenses may not enter. So as a gardener, we protect our garden with a fence. So he's talking about that fence, and hear more about what is this fence. Srila Prabhupada elaborates that. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा. सो जब ऑफेंसेस की बात आती है तो कुछ स्ट्रैटेजीज होती हैं, कुछ टेक्निक्स होती हैं, कुछ डूज होते हैं, कुछ डोंट्स होते हैं, राइट? सो whatever we value in our life or whatever is most important to us, we safeguard it carefully. So similarly, this creeper of devotion, Bhakti Lata, is very dear, very precious for us because we are trying to please Krishna and we don't want our faith and our motivation to go away. So as a gardener, how do we take care of this creeper? We defend it. How? By building a fence around it. उसके around fence कैसे बनाते हैं? So that the powerful elephant of offense doesn't destroy it. So this fence is with the association of devotees. This fence is with all the knowledge we get from the teachings of acharyas. We put it into practice. This fence is about following the regulative principles so that we don't commit offenses and sins, and our creeper flourishes naturally, beautifully with faith. And there is one more important thing mentioned here. We should be careful of anarthas at any time creeping in our heart. They are like weeds around our creepers. Right? Prabhuji, do you want to add something about it?
So that is we'll discuss next. But here it is very important to have devotee association. That association enables us. And if we do commit an offense at the lotus feet of a Vaishnava, we should immediately ask for forgiveness. We should immediately bow down to them and say, please forgive us. There's nothing wrong in being humble and correcting a mistake.
And
Hare
there is
Krishna.
one more thing. You frequently tell everyone about the 6 principles which are favorable
Yes.
for nurturing this creeper, for spiritual advancement. Can we share that right now?
Yes. Utsahan nishchaya dharya tat karma pravartanat sangatyaga sato vritte sadpir bhakti prasiddhati. Utsahan, with great enthusiasm we should engage in Shravan, Kirtan, Smaranam, all the 9 processes, right? And Nishchayat, with great determination, right, we should engage. Dharyat, with patience. Tat krama pravartanat. These are the 9 processes of devotional service we should engage in. Sangatyagat, we should give up the association of general populace, the materialistic minded people who are interested in women, name, fame, glories, and money. And satovritte, following in the footsteps of acharyas. So it doesn't mean we imitate acharyas, it means that we follow their instructions. Sadvir bhakti prasiddhati. So these 6 principles enable us to improve and enhance our devotional service to bring quality. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So सबके reference के लिए I will just repeat 6 items we should be careful about, which spoil our creeper of devotion or devotional service. Please make a note of these 6 items, because in a while I'm going to ask you that list any one of these items or all of these items. So if you make notes or if you pay attention, you'll be greatly benefited. So once devotional service is spoiled, when one becomes entangled in following 6 activities, अपनी भक्ति को सेफगार्ड करने के लिए, अपनी भक्ति लता बीज को सेफगार्ड करने के लिए हमें इन 6 चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए.
That is, we should avoid these things. So that's in the separate verse. Hare Krishna.
Yeah. So number 1, eating more than necessary or collecting more funds than required. Yes. So there are things we accept which are favorable, and there are things we reject. So I am talking about things we should be careful or we should reject. Number 1, overeating or collecting more funds than necessary. Second, over endeavoring for mundane things. Over endeavor करने से हमारा determination weak हो जाता है spiritual activities के लिए. Number 3, talking unnecessary about subject matters. प्रजल्पा नहीं करना चाहिए, gossiping. Number 4, practicing the scriptural rules and regulations only for the sake of following them and not for the sake of spiritual advancement. And इसको ऐसा भी बोलते हैं rejecting the rules and regulations of scriptures or working independently or whimsically. ठीक है, ये 4 points हो गए. 5th point, associating with people who are in material consciousness, who are into sense gratification, जिनको worldly minded बोला जाता है. तो originally before we have remembrance of bhakti, इससे पहले हम भक्ति लाइफ स्टार्ट करते हैं, हमारी भी वही सिचुएशन होती है. लेकिन as we progress, we should identify, we want to associate with devotees more rather than associating with material minded people, worldly minded people. And the 6th point is being greedy for mundane achievements, name, fame, money के पीछे नहीं भागना चाहिए. तो ये तो 6 आइटम्स हैं जिनसे केयरफुल रहना चाहिए, एंड इट मे स्पॉइल अवर devotional service. And Prabhuji explained what are the 6 principles we should incorporate in our life, which helps in spiritual advancement. So, Prabhuji, did you want to add anything?
So again, this is the next verse by Srila Rupa Goswami in Nectar of Instruction. Atyahara prayashascha prajalpo niyamagraha janasangascha lalyamcha sadbhir bhakti vinashyati. विनाश हो जाता है भक्ति का अगर हम अत्याहार यानी ज़्यादा खाते हैं, ज़्यादा कलेक्ट करते हैं, प्रयास ज़्यादा करते हैं, ओवर एंडीवर, एंड प्रजल्प में लगते हैं, गॉसिपिंग एंड नियमाग्रह, फॉलोइंग द रिचुअल्स जस्ट फॉर द नेम सेक, और completely rejecting them, acting whimsically. In Janasang, right, that is association of worldly minded people, and lalyam is greed. So these 6 things we should constantly avoid because they destroy our devotional service. The creeper of our devotional service is affected. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol. Please join us for more kirtan. लेकिन उससे पहले I want to welcome you all जो recently join कर रहे हैं. ये कृष्ण कथा और कीर्तन का लाइव सेशन चल रहा है जो वीक में हम दोनों साथ में एक बार करते हैं, और इसका आज का टॉपिक है भक्ति लता बीज. एंड वी जस्ट अंडरस्टूड, वी हर्ड, वी रेड that we get Bhakti Lata Beej, the seed of devotion in our heart by mercy of a genuine Guru. And we have to nurture and we have to take care of this seed of devotion because it flourishes, it grows with constant watering of chanting and hearing of the holy names. And then we take care of the creeper of devotion. We constantly hear and chant further till creeper of devotion rests at the lotus feet of Bhagwan. And throughout this process, what do? We avoid certain activities and we accept certain activities for spiritual advancement. So Sanjay Chandole ji, Hare Krishna, Sachinand S.N. Tiwari, Vinod Jha, Hare Krishna, Nidhi Jajodia Garwal ji, Hari Bol. और अब आप सबके लिए एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. अगर आपने हमारे पॉइंट्स ध्यान से सुने हैं तो आपको पता है हम आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले हैं. एंड वी वुड बी हैप्पी टू सी अगर आप कमेंट कर सकेंगे, क्योंकि इस तरीके से व्हेन वी इंटरेक्ट विद ईच अदर अबाउट कृष्ण कथा, that is very pleasing to the heart, and it also helps us revise what we have just heard. It helps us remember and not forget the important key points. So next question is creeper of devotion को नर्चर करने के लिए, फ्लरिश करने के लिए हमें क्या चीज़ें अवॉइड करनी चाहिए? प्लीज़ राइट डाउन 1 or many items which should be avoided to nurture our creeper of devotion. हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कौन से 2 प्रोसेसेस हमें फॉलो करने चाहिए टू लेट द क्रीपर ऑफ डिवोशन ग्रो ब्यूटिफुली, और उसका आंसर आप सब ने बहुत अच्छी तरह लिखा, बहुत लोगों ने लिखा. हियरिंग एंड चैंटिंग, श्रवणम एंड कीर्तनम. अब वो कौन से आइटम्स हैं जो हमें अवॉइड करने चाहिए सो दैट आवर क्रीपर ऑफ डिवोशन डज नॉट ड्राई, डज नॉट गेट डैमेज? व्हाट आर दोज थिंग्स? प्लीज मेंशन इन 1 word, 2 words or many words. We want to see your answers. Okay? Hare Krishna. Let me check your comments. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Many of you are joining. आप सभी का अभिनंदन है. दिलीप कुमार साहा जी, संजय चंडोले जी, धीरज पाटिल, हरे कृष्णा, राधे श्याम, सुकांत दास, राजेश प्रकाश, दम बारूधर बेहरा, राम शर्मा, विमल पटेल, संजय चंडोले जी, गुरु हिंदुस्तानी, शशि मिश्रा, अक्षय चौरसिया, संचिता शर्मा, सिंधु रामकृष्णन. Hare Krishna, those viewers who have been watching our program, if you can mention in 1 or few words, what are few things we should avoid when we are nurturing the creeper of devotion? And if you cannot remember, don't worry, we will repeat in brief, we'll repeat again so that you can remember it. Hare Krishna. Let's do some kirtan while viewers can think about it and put it in their comments. Hare Krishna. Lewis Sterling he has replied overeating. Wonderful. That was one of the items.
Atyahara.
And Moni Nagendraji is saying talking unwanted things, hearing unwanted thinking, avoid gossiping. Perfect. Yes. So first two items we heard were overeating, avoiding gossiping, being greedy. Yes, that was another item. Perfect. Carry on, carry on. Dear friends, please keep writing, please keep putting in comments. We are keeping an eye on that and we will come back to you while let us do some kirtan. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
We have some more responses. Rajesh Prakash Srivastav ji, चित्त का संयम एवं मन का वशीकरण. These are two good points. We develop this kind of qualities, this kind of behavior once we follow the 6 items we mentioned. So आपका भी answer correct है. Lewis Sterling, associating with materially minded people. So you are, Lewis is saying we need to avoid association of material minded people in order to make spiritual advancement. Vartika Bhasin Malik ji, you are saying required. I think आपका comment cut किया. Please mention your comment again. Rumi says unnecessary talking and gossiping. That's a correct point. And I want to just scroll back because I saw a few other responses which were correct. Rumi said to avoid greediness. And Moni said sometimes I eat more. I will try to avoid. Yes. We really appreciate your honesty. Thank you for mentioning that. Vartika Bhasin says having unnecessary things that are not requested. That is called Atyahara, collecting more than necessary.
Or eating
Perfect.
more
That's
than
great.
necessary.
And Lewis says being greedy.
Yes.
So, yes, your other answers were correct too. That's great. Thank you so much, everyone, for responding to our question. So now, in this section of nurturing creeper of devotion and avoiding offenses and following principles, the next thing we want to talk to you about is the weeds or the unwanted creepers.
Yes, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continues elaborating. Kintu yadi latar sange ute upashakha bhukti mukti vanchayata sankyatar lekha. Sometimes unwanted creepers, upashakha, such as the creepers of desires for material enjoyment, bhukti, and liberation, mukti, from the material world, grow along with the creeper of the devotional service. The varieties of such unwanted creepers are unlimited. So we should be very careful about these. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, dear viewers, dear friends, I was reading your greetings. Thank you so much for finding some time and joining in this Krishna Katha and Kirtan program. Harneet Kaur Sethi ji, Hare Krishna. Seetal Sharma, Hare Krishna. Harneet Kaur Sethi ji, आप बाद में ये सेशन अब एंड होने वाला है थोड़ी देर में, तो आपने जो मिस किया है आप इस लाइव को रिवाइंड करके व्यू कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस यू कैन पुट देम हियर. and all our friends who have been there throughout watching our session. Special appreciation for you. I hope everybody is getting benefited. और अभी अभी जो प्रभु जी ने शेयर किया कि जो अनवांटेड क्रीपर्स भी आ जाती है, हमारी क्रीपर ऑफ डिवोशन के बगल में वीड्स आ जाते हैं जो कि अनवांटेड डिजायर्स होती हैं फॉर मटेरियल एंजॉयमेंट एंड लिबरेशन फ्रॉम मटेरियल वर्ल्ड. सो these creepers are of many kinds and we should be careful of these kind of desires which are like unwanted creepers. So do you want to cover the next one also?
Sure, yes. So now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is telling us what happens when these unwanted creepers are there. निषिद्धाचार कुंटिनाति जीव हिंसन लाभ पूजा परिष्ठादि यत उपशाखा गण. Some unnecessary creepers growing with the bhakti creeper are the creepers of behavior unacceptable for those trying to attain perfection, diplomatic behavior, animal killing, mundane profiteering, mundane adoration, and mundane importance. All these are unwanted creepers. So these are like the bhakti, right? We're trying to enjoy this material world, and now additional creepers because of that bhakti, seeking to enjoy material world, these start to creep up. And further, what is the effect? We will learn in the next verse and onward. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So इन वर्सेस में हम पढ़ रहे हैं इस वक्त जो ऑफेंसेस होते हैं और जो अनवांटेड बिहेवियर्स होते हैं, इन सब को अवॉइड करना चाहिए. स्पेसिफिकली अभी रिसेंटली प्रभु जी ने बताया कि हमारी जो भक्ति लता होती है ना, जो हमारी क्रीपर ऑफ डिवोशन होती है, इसके अराउंड जो वीड्स आ जाते हैं, अनवांटेड क्रीपर्स आ जाते हैं, ये इम्पेडिमेंट्स हैं, ऑब्स्टिकल्स हैं अपनी रियल क्रीपर भक्ति लता के अराउंड. और श्रीला प्रभुपाद ने एक्सप्लेन किया है दैट वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल टू अवॉइड दिस अनवांटेड थिंग्स. व्हाई शुड वी अवॉइड दिस अनवांटेड थिंग्स? Please comment there very quickly because I will continue to explain, but I want to hear why should we avoid unnecessary and mundane desires? How can it affect our creeper of devotion? So Srila Prabhupada says that sometimes these unwanted creepers look exactly like Bhakti creeper and they appear to be of same size and same species when they are packed together with Bhakti creeper. But in spite of this, the creepers are called Upshakha. And a pure devotee can distinguish between Bhakti creeper and a mundane creeper. And we should be very alert to distinguish them and keep them separate. अगर आपने कभी अपने घर पर तुलसी की सेवा की है, तुलसी महारानी का प्लांट है अगर आपके पास, तो आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि जब तुलसी ग्रो करती है तो उसी के बगल में छोटे छोटे और बहुत सारे प्लांट्स भी आ जाते हैं जो तुलसी के जैसे दिखते हैं पर वो तुलसी नहीं होते हैं. तो एक केयरफुल पर्सन जो एक गार्डनर है, जो बहुत ही कॉशियस है, वो केयरफुली उन वीड्स को हटाता रहता है चाहे वो दिखते तुलसी जैसे ही हैं. सिमिलरली हमारी क्रीपर ऑफ डिवोशन के अराउंड भी सिमिलर लुकिंग वीड्स आ सकते हैं जिनके लिए हमें केयरफुल रहना चाहिए और क्लीन अप करते रहना चाहिए क्योंकि वो इम्पेडिमेंट्स होते हैं हमारे स्पिरिचुअल एडवांसमेंट में. Let me see some messages and then we can do the kirtan. Hari Bol, Kavita Chaudhary, Moni Nagendra to reach Krishna's lotus feet. Yes, Moni Nagendra ji ने आंसर दिया है कि मैंने पूछा था why should we be careful about unwanted weeds. Yes, that's a perfect answer. Thank you very much. Moni Nagendra ji is the only one who responded. We really appreciate your response. And now, everyone, please join us for some more kirtan. Do we have, by the way, more on this topic or we are done? We have covered that.
Oh, we have a lot more, still 4 more points to cover.
Okay, let's do some kirtan and then till then we are doing more kirtan. पर आपसे इस वक्त एक next question है जो कि आप सोच के उसके बारे में आंसर लिखिए. अगर आपको ध्यान में नहीं आता है and if you have forgotten, we will help you with the answer after the kirtan. The question is, what is the impediment for Bhakti Lata? What is an impediment for Bhakti Lata उसके अराउंड ऐसा क्या ग्रो कर सकता है जो भक्ति लता को उसकी ग्रोथ को स्पॉइल कर सकता है. Please write in one word or several words, and if you cannot express it, what you have heard, we will help you after the Kirtan. Hare Krishna. I'm watching, they have just joined. We are towards the end of our session of today's Krishna Katha and Kirtan. और हमने आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, what are the things which are impediments for the growth of this beautiful creeper of devotion? And we got some answers, and I'm going to read those answers now. Moni Nagendra ji ने लिखा है, surrounding with good, healthy, talking people. Chanting Hare Krishna, Mala, helping needy people, talking truthful as much possible. ये तो favorable things हैं for the growth. And what are the impediments? Hare Krishna, Joni Goyal ji has written, any desire other than pleasing Guru and Krishna can destroy our devotional life. Perfect answer. और इस बड़े ये जो पूरा आपने लिखा है topic, like the, what answer you have written, it has several categories, and we listed out those categories, and recently we were talking about the weeds around our creeper of devotion. So, Joni Goyal ji, thank you so much, Mata ji and Prabhu ji, for such a wonderful and most important topic. You are welcome. We also really value this topic, and we feel that, when we speak on such topics, we also learn a lot. Our understanding goes better and deeper. And we feel so happy that so many souls can benefit from these topics. Milal Das ji, Hare Krishna. So one more person gave a very nice answer. Rajesh Prakash Srivastav ji, he said, साधना में विघ्न उत्पन्न करते हैं, ईश्वर का साक्षात्कार करने में बाधक होता है. So what are those things? We had asked this question, what are those things? But since you may have joined recently and you may have missed the points we listed, so that's okay. So we listed out many offenses which should be avoided. We listed out 6 items which are impediments to devotional service. And then recently Prabhuji was explaining how there may be other weeds which look like creeper around the creeper. We should be careful of those weeds and we should uproot them because they check the growth of our creeper. So Nidhi Gupta ji, Hare Krishna. And now, dear friends, we are going to share with you more on this topic because our session is about to come to an end and we have little bit more information which is very useful for everyone.
Hare Krishna. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is continuing to describe. So we just covered that if one does not distinguish between the Bhakti Kripa and the other Kripas, the sprinkling of water is misused because the other Kripas are nourished while the Bhakti Kripa is curtailed. That is, Sekha Jala Pana Upashaka Badi Yaya Stabdahana Mula Shaka Badi Te Na Paya. So again, we have to be, as a gardener, be able to understand which are the unwanted creepers and which one is our creeper of devotional service, and we should immediately remove the unwanted creepers, right? And these creepers are like seeking diplomatic behavior, showing diplomatic behavior, mundane profiteering, cheating others, mundane importance, seeking name, fame and glories, and also bhukti, trying to enjoy this world, and mukti, trying to seek liberation to merge into Brahman. Even they are unwanted creepers because we want to attain the lotus feet of Lord Krishna, who is in Golok Vrindavan. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continues. He is saying, Pratame upashakar kare chedana tabe mula shaka badi yaya vrindavana. As soon as an intelligent devotee sees an unwanted creeper growing beside the original creeper, which original creeper? The creeper of devotional service. He must cut it down instantly. Then the real creeper, the Bhakti Lata, grows nicely, returns home back to Godhead, and seeks shelter under the lotus feet of Lord Krishna. Yes, Hare Krishna. So that's what we want.
So हमारे वैष्णवाचार्यज इस बात पे बार-बार stress देते हैं. Our वैष्णवाचार्यज, they stress that if one is misled by the unwanted creepers and is victimized, he cannot make progress back to Godhead. Rather, what happens? He remains within the material world, and what does he do in the material world? He engages in activities which have nothing to do with pure devotional service. And what is the result of that? What's wrong with that? Well, such a person may be elevated to higher planetary systems, but because he remains within the material world, he is subjected to threefold material miseries. And then there will always be the result of miseries in our life. If we want to get rid of the miseries, if we want to be happy, if we want to be peaceful, we should engage in devotional service. We should be trained. We should learn how to perform pure devotional service. And then with the seed of devotion in our heart, with constant chanting of the holy names and the hearing, hearing and chanting, Shravanam and Kirtanam has to be done. We should nurture our creeper of devotion. We should avoid offenses. We should avoid all the things which are impediments to our devotional service. We should associate with the saintly people. We should associate and serve them. And we should also uproot all the fake or similar looking creepers, weeds around our creeper of devotion. And we should take care of our creeper of devotion in this way by constant chanting and hearing. One more thing I wanted to mention here, earlier Prabhuji mentioned that if one does not make a difference, अगर हम भक्ति क्रीपर और दूसरी weeds जैसी creepers के बीच में difference नहीं करते हैं and we constantly keep sprinkling water, that is misused because बाकी जो weeds हैं वो water हो रही हैं और वो strong हो रही हैं और भक्ति creeper की growth damage हो रही है. So our Vaishnava acharyas say if one chants Hare Krishna Mahamantra and also commits the offenses, then these creepers grow. So one should not take advantage of chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra for some material desires and profits, because ये जो unwanted creepers है ना, you know, they are there because of the offenses we do. And if one hears and chants without trying to give up these offenses, the result is one becomes attached to the sense gratification, material desires, and one may also desire freedom from material bondage like some Mayavadis do, or one may become attached to yoga siddhis and desire wonderful yogic powers. So in this way, there is a tendency for people to become distracted from the supreme goal of life. And we don't want to become distracted. We want to make this life perfect. And we should also avoid being victimized by crooked behavior, diplomatic behavior, or association with illicit activities. One may make a show of devotional service, pretender ban jayenge nahi to, with a certain, kind of category of people, and we may lose our aim in life. So, we follow 4 regulative principles. So, the idea is we should give up sinful activities like illicit sex, intoxication, gambling, meat eating. And so we should be careful about these offenses, and we should try to follow the regulative principles of sadhana bhakti while, we are steadily trying to water this creeper of devotion with hearing and chanting. So, dear friends, I hope this topic today was helpful for everyone. And now we are going to also do some more kirtan. Let me quickly check your comments because I just saw some comments are passing by. Is that okay?
Yes,
we can do that?
Yes.
Rajesh Prakashi says sadhana के फल को कम करती हैं. I think I didn't get your full message. Okay.
Unwanted creepers they reduce because the water
okay.
is not going to the creeper of devotion. Yes, very nice answer. Hare Krishna.
Joni Goel is writing very nice comments. I am seeing her first time in our live. So welcome. We welcome you. She says, carefully guard the 10 Vaishnava offenses and daily flourish the seed with Shravanam and Kirtan. That's perfect. This is the summary or the essence of the entire Krishna Katha today. Tara Chakravarti ji, Hare Krishna. Dhyan Pradhan, Hare Krishna. Let me just read it from here because comments scroll by. Hare Krishna, Surendra Ragvanshi. Ram Krishna Sahu, Haribol Neelam Satija, Hare Krishna Vineet Gupta, Rantu Nayak, Haribol, Hare Krishna. I'm trying to just quickly read your comments. राजेश प्रकाश श्रीवास्तव जी से इस लता के पास उगे छोटी लताएं जैसे लता को हानि करती हैं, उसी प्रकार ईश्वर प्राप्ति में बाधा करती हैं. आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा और हमें ईश्वर प्राप्ति में बाधा नहीं चाहिए, तो हमें केयरफुल होना चाहिए. Johnny Goel, disobedience is the biggest obstacle. Yes, disobeying the instructions. Actually, inattentiveness बताया गया है. Inattentiveness while chanting the holy names. We are doing a very prime service, and if we are inattentive, that's a sign of disrespect. So disobeying, being disrespectful is a very big offense. That's an aparad. And for a person who is sincerely desiring to serve and please Krishna, they should be careful about these offenses. Did you want to add anything?
No, I think this is very nice. We're really liking your comments. Please continue to add. Because there are so many places, and we also say that we should not even commit offenses to general populace, because we do not know what wonderful devotee there may be hidden amongst those populace. So again, we should be respectful towards all living entities. Treat them with love, with compassion, with respect. That should be our motto. Hare
Right.
Krishna.
And our Vaishnava Acharyas stress on this again and again. We should respect everyone. In in a humble state of mind, we can chant the holy names
Yes.
nicely. We can serve Krishna. We can please Krishna, and for that, we should not we should not expect respect from others, but we should always give our respect to everyone. And how is that possible? How can you give respect to every person, irrespective of their behavior towards us at all times? How can we be so elevated? This is a very important topic, and if you reflect on it carefully, we will find that that is only possible if we understand our position, our constitutional position, our relationship with Krishna. If we understand that Bhagwan is the supreme controller and he is the cause of all causes, and that helps us deal with the anarthas in our heart. And when we take shelter of a genuine guru, we take shelter of devotees, we take shelter of the holy names. That helps us develop that faith, helps us develop those divine qualities like tolerance, humility, giving respect to everyone. And in this way, these little things, they go a long way, and we stay determined and inspired to constantly water our creeper of devotion by chanting, by hearing and chanting of the holy names. Hare Krishna, Kishore Vasuji, Hari Bol. So dear friends, before we end the session today, please share with us anything you liked about the session today. Today we talked about the seed of devotion, the creeper of devotion, Bhakti Lata, how we can nurture it by, two processes of hearing and chanting. And we also learned that we have to avoid certain items which are impediments in this process of gardening, taking care of this creeper of devotion, right? So please mention what was interesting for you, what really helps you in your spiritual life.
And the 4 qualities that we have to develop, as we just shared, this is in the 3rd verse of Shikshashtaka by Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Tanadapi sunichena tarorapi sahishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari.
Exactly, this particular verse has been just now commented by
Yes.
our friend Joni Goel, and she
Hey,
says
wow.
this verse, Tanadapi sunichena tarurapi sahishnuna amanena manadena kirtaniya sadahari. And yes, we must be aware of our spiritual poverty. Wonderful comments. And many people have commented Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Hare Krishna.
Ankit Patel ji, welcome. You are from Canada. We welcome you to this program. This is a weekly program of Krishna Katha and Kirtan. And before we end the session, we'll again do the Kirtan. You're welcome to join us. Soma Thapa ji, Hare Krishna. Kishore Vasu, Prabhuji, Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. So friends, we are requesting you to quickly comment from today's session which particular area interested you very much, or what is your takeaway teaching or takeaway thought from this session. Just one takeaway, please mention there. Some of you have already mentioned, we already appreciate that. Thank you so much. And for those of you जिन्होंने अभी तक कमेंट नहीं किया है, आप एक चीज़ ऐसी मेंशन करिए जो आज के सेशन में आपने सीखी हो या आपके इंटरेस्ट की है, और उसके बाद हम कीर्तन करेंगे और आपसे आज्ञा लेंगे. हरे कृष्णा.
Hare Krishna.
Man Singh Solanki, Hare Krishna Nidhi Gupta. Today I took more steps towards my devotional journey by listening to your session. Hari Bol. Thank you so much, beta. You're welcome. That's a very positive mindset, and this is due to blessings of Bhagwan on you, that you are able to absorb the lessons and the teachings, and you feel this way. Thank you for expressing that. Sachin Agarwal, Radhe Radhe ji. Manjusha Yadav, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. We'll wait just few more seconds. आप में से अगर कोई भी इस वक्त कमेंट करना चाहते हैं, I can read it aloud. आज के सेशन से आपने क्या सीखा, एक वर्ड या फ्यू वर्ड्स में लिखिए आपको क्या इम्पोर्टेंट लगा जो आप अपनी लाइफ में, डिवोशनल लाइफ में राइट अवे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. प्लीज मेंशन इन द कमेंट्स. वी वुड लव टू हियर फ्रॉम यू. हरे कृष्णा. वी आर going to do some kirtan together, and then we will come back again next week with our weekly session at the same time of the week, same time and same day. And I understand many countries it's early morning right now, and for us it's night time actually in USA, Eastern Standard Time. Manjusha Yadav ji, Hari Bol. Sachin Agrawal, Radhe Radhe. Hare Krishna. हरे कृष्णा. बिटू नहेकिया, स्वाति शर्मा, कोइराला आशमा, अभिषेक जायसवाल. हरे कृष्णा डियर फ्रेंड्स. नीतू अस्ताना, धर्माराम गुर्जार, नौनीता खुराना, कृष्ण राम, श्रवण समी रेड्डी, बीडी शुक्ला जी. हरि बोल. किशोर वासु जी, माता जी से देरी से जुड़ पाया हूँ, बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग देखूंगा. कोई बात नहीं किशोर जी, वी अंडरस्टैंड. Many viewers joined much later and they missed the part of the live, so you can attend. You can watch it later and put in your comments later on, and we will check the comments and respond to you. Now, please join us for more kirtan, and after that, we would like to take your permission for the day. Moni Nagendra made my day with good Krishna blessings, happiness to the soul. He's from Bangalore. He or she. Hare Krishna. Stay blessed. We are happy to read your message. Now please join us for some more kirtan, and if there are any comments, I will read them after the kirtan.
Krishna Krishna.
dear viewers. So next week around same time, same day, we will be back with the next topic in the series, Krishna Katha and Kirtan. And meanwhile, for those of you who missed this live from the beginning, please go ahead and watch it at your time and leave us some comments and we will get back to you. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Srila Bhagavad Pad ki jai, Anant Koti Vaishnav Vrind ki jai, Hare Krishna Maha Mantra ki jai.
Nitai Go Premanande, Hari Hari Bol, Hare
Shikhat
Krishna.
Gupta ji, Kishore Vasu ji, Hari Bol. Yes, never forget Shri Krishna and doing our karma honestly, but do it to please Krishna so that it's a Krishna conscious activity. Okay? Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.